Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. This will be the last of the Parker safety razor reviews, meaning every single Parker safety razor on the website ShaveNation.com will have a review. So you can click on the number, whatever it is. This one happens to be the 111B, 111B, and up will pop a video showing the razor, describing it, and how to use it. We'll have one of those for every single razor. So let's unbox this one. Let's get to it. The 111B Parker Safety Razor comes in this nice recyclable cardboard box in a sleeve like that. And this razor is reminiscent of the Edwin Jagger Chadsworth type razor. That's what it looks like. It's got this bulbous handle. You can see gleaming chrome at the top, and then a smooth band that tapers inward, and then a thicker band with a couple of little threads in the middle there, and then it goes to this resin bulbous handle, and on the very bottom is smooth chrome, no logo there. Very comfortable. It just drops right into the hand perfectly. The bottom of it lands right into the palm, and then the way the tapering is, the thick bulbous portion goes right in the palm, and where you grip it with your thumb and forefinger, that's the comfortable area. It seems like it's made to fit the hand perfectly. It's a three-piece razor. Let's disassemble it. Removing top cap, safety bar, handle. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it comes with a 5-pack of Parker double-edged razor blades, which is right here. And this package, I'm down to my last blade. And the trick is to get the last blade out of the package. Sometimes it's difficult. You have the little paper cover up there on the top. So what I do, sometimes you can get lucky, just turn it upside down and then pull the paper out, remove that, and then you get the blade to drop down to the bottom like so. And using your thumb, you can pull it out that way. So the trick is just flip it upside down, gravity helps, it drops to the bottom, and it'll pop through that little slot. It's kind of difficult, but you'll get that last one out of there somehow. Here's what the razor blade looks like in the paper. Let's remove it. Parker Premium Platinum. There's a look at it. Let's drop that right over the threaded post and the 2 pins like so. Then reassemble the flat bar. You can see the striations, the grooves, they always go up toward the blade. If you put it in the other way, it's going to be backwards. You don't want to do that. That's what it will look like. Strange. You want those striations up toward the blade. Then reassemble the handle. Let's check the reveal. Looks great. Perfect on both sides, as you can see. Perfectly even on both sides. As far as blade overhang, almost nil. Very minimalistic. About 1/16 of an inch. You can barely even make that out on the outside edges. Very slight overhang. Feels great in the hand. It's very comfortable. Here's a nice look at it. I'll be using the new Tailor of Old Bond Street. Let's get it right today. It's Oud. In my previous video, I called it Ode, I believe, and I got poked fun at a little bit, so I had a couple of corrections there. They say it's oud that rhymes with dude, that rhymes with food, that rhymes with, whatever you want, prude, whatever you want to put in there, you can do it. But it's Oud, O-U-D. Let's remove the cap. It's got a great scent, as I said previously, to me. One word sums it up, mysterious. That's it. I'm going to use the Trafalgar T2 shaving brush today. T1 is the smallest, T2 is the medium, and T3 is the largest. T2 right down the middle, that's the one I'm using today. All right, I've got my Shave Nation bowl soaking in the hot water. I poured the water out. Let's scoop a little bit of cream with my mini scoop spoon right here. We'll just scoop some out of this. Not much, that much, that's it. Drop it right into the lather spot down there at the bottom. Drop the T2 into the Scully shaving brush cup, the soaking cup. Just let that sit for a minute. Here is the shaving cream, the Oud, down at the bottom of the Shave Nation bowl in the lather spot. So we'll remove the brush from the cup, Give it a couple shakes, pour out the water. Let's go in here and see if we can mix a lather. No problem mixing a lather. 5-10 seconds. It's already coming up around the edges. We'll just keep swirling. Plenty of lather for sure. Look at that, the bowl is completely filled with lather. Excellent. And the more you swirl, it just gets a little bit thicker. We've got plenty, and I didn't use that much shaving cream either. Smells fantastic. Check it. Look at that, beautiful. How much shaving cream do you want? That's crazy. I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. Whew. As you can see, very substantial beard growth today. Several days beard growth. So we'll see what this razor can do. Let's grab our brush and our bowl and our mountain of shaving lather and apply some of that. Starting on the right, working our way across. I can call a few gents over and have enough lather for all of us. Drive it into the beard. Hydrate, elevate, soften the whiskers. Prepare them for the shave ahead. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. All right, here we go. The Parker 111B Resin and Chrome Safety Razor. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 3 ounces or 85 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 4 inches or 102 millimeters. All right, let's do it. Under the hot water. Does feel really good in the hand. You just drops right in, very comfortable. Cut that sideburn, start a little bit lower, work your way up. Look at that, removing my beard growth. Several days beard growth. No issues whatsoever. One side filled, flip it over. Excellent. Rinse that. Tons of stubble going down the drain. Rinses out very easily and quickly. Left side, cut that sideburn. Start low, work up. One side filled, flip it. Excellent. It's got a nice weight, nice heft, feels great. Rinse that. Mustache, scoop right under the nose. Beautiful. Rinse that. A quick rinse to the face. Just leave that residual shaving cream on the face, on the skin, for some added protection. I'm almost baby smooth right now, but we're gonna go with one more. Let's grab our brush, our bowl, more lather. Look at that. Shaving cream, lathered up easily. The oud. A nice cushion for the blade to glide across. Smells great. What more can you ask for? Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set that down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways again. All right, I'll leave my fingers wet this time. The resin, it does have a tactile finish. It's not super grippy, but still no problem holding it with wet fingers. First pass was with the grain north to south. Now we'll go across. Ear to nose. Nice hefty razor. Just let the weight of the razor do the work. Cleft. Excellent. Rinse that. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Across the mustache area, just use the tip under the nose, clean out those hairs, then lay it flat. Excellent. Rinse that. Beautiful shave. You can stop right now, but if you want to get super smooth on those cheeks, you're just going to go with a little bit of shaving cream right there. And just grab the razor, stretch the skin, find your sweet spot. Not scraping like this, but skimming. As soon as it catches, that's where you want to be. This will make your cheeks like glass. Other side. Just stretching the skin. The skim coat. Rinse that. Rinse the razor and a cold water rinse to the face. Cold water feels great on the skin when you remove that beard. All right, now take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas that you just shaved. Recap it, set that down, then let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. All right, we're gonna go with this new aftershave, Captain's Choice Island Time. Remove the cap. I think they had this before and they brought it back, I believe, for the summer. So, nice tropical scent, light. Citrusy, very nice. A bit of burn, just a slight burn. Dries up really quickly. Matte finish, no sheen to it. Very nice. Let's take a final look at the razor. The Parker 111B resin and chrome safety razor. The Parker 111B is a classic safety razor, reminiscent of those which were popular in the United Kingdom many years back, similar to the Edwin Jagger Chatsworth line of razors. High quality components, a timeless look, and a precision engineered razor head all make this a wonderful razor for both new and seasoned wet shaving enthusiasts. Razor type, 3-piece double-edged safety razor. Handle material, black resin with chrome accents. If you buy it at Shave Nation, it includes a 5-pack of Parker Premium Platinum blades. Approximate dimensions, weight 3 ounces or 85 grams, length 4 inches, 102 millimeters. Enter 111B in the search box or SN837 in the search box and it will pop right up. Here's a final look at the razor, the Parker 111B resin and chrome safety razor. On the aggression scale, I thought it shaved very well, removed my several day beard growth very easily, effortlessly. I'm going to give this a 7 on a scale of 1 to 10. I think the heft, the way it feels in the hand, the head design, a little bit more aggressive than medium, so we're going to go with a 7. Very comfortable shaving, would be a very welcome addition to your shaving den for sure. and the Parker blade suited very well, performed nicely. If you want to crank it up even further, you can go with a Kai, a Feather, Persona Prep to make it even more aggressive. But excellent shave provided, and the shaving cream, the Oud, the Tabs Oud shaving cream, performed very well. A great scent, easy to lather, great cushioning for the razor to glide across. Finishing up with the Shave Nation Wide Stick Alum Block, sealing, cooling the skin. The Captain's Choice Island Time Aftershave, very nice as well. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.